In the unofficial third city of Jamaica. This is Portmore. Some persons call it the Portmore city, and we're doing an update on some of the construction in and around Portmore, St. Catherine, Jamaica. So I did quite a few previous videos on this complex here. It's now home to a BPO, which is Ibex. They have another location in Portmore. They have one in downtown, one in Otrius, one in New Kingston. So it's one of those, you know, top 5 BPO here in Jamaica. So we're right here in Portmore, St. Catherine. What I'll do as well is to put the link for one of the very first video I did on this complex in the description, so you guys can see where it's coming from. Alright, so right beside it is also a plaza that's being developed. I'll go a bit closer to show you guys that plaza. But in the middle between both complexes, there's another construction that is happening. I'm not sure what's gonna go over there, but you know, this entire area was a wasteland or just a flat empty land, and it's so good that we can see it now being developed into these awesome commercial properties that's, you know, bringing a lot of employment opportunities, a lot of jobs, both in construction and post-construction phase. It's right here in front of the Country Club 2, right here in Portmore. So this is a gated townhouse complex in Portmore, St. Catherine. So eventually we'll closer to that other plaza. I'll show you guys that one. So Portmore, St. Catherine update. Construction update. Alright guys, so if you're new to the channel, remember to subscribe. We're trying to get to 10,000 subscribers before the end of June 2021. I know with you guys' help we can do it. So if you're just liking, that will help. If you're sharing the video on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, your WhatsApp status, that will help. Borrow somebody's phone and subscribe, that will help as well. In any way we can supporting in any way will help the channel. And I know some persons donate via PayPal, which which the link is in the description, because, you know, doing these regular updates, it's not cheap, you know, both for transportation, gas, fuel, which is gas, and also time. So every contribution, whether monetary or not, really goes a far way. So 10,000 subscribers, here we come. We're just under 8,100 last time I checked. So thanks for the support, guys. So this is a BPO, as I mentioned before. It's the G-Tech Park right here in Portmore. It's close to Portmore Pines, close to the Braeton Parkway. It's right off the Portmore Municipal Boulevard. So it's very central, and a lot of commercial development is right up by the stoplight right there, which I'll show you guys some glimpses as well. So just a quick update on this construction. A few persons was asking for an update, so just wanted to show you guys around the place. Alright guys, so let's go closer to the plaza that's under construction. It's basically 5 floors, a massive plaza, so we're gonna take a look on that one. To be honest, the construction of this BPO, it really did go up very quickly. I think they probably did it less than 18 months. Alright guys, so stay tuned for some more, and we're gonna go up in the air and get some drone shots of the area as well. So stay tuned for some drone shots. Alright guys, so some closer shots of the plaza that's under construction. And again, stay tuned for the drone shots. So we'll be going up the air and give you guys an eagle eye view of the area. So lots of shops. I know some of them is probably already leased, because I did see an ad that was inviting person to lease different spaces. So I'm sure it will be over 30 shops over there. So massive plaza right here, and again it will be next to the new BPO, which is over that side. Alright guys, so remember, share your thoughts, let me know what you think in terms of these constructions that's happening right here in Portmore. Let me know your thoughts, leave a comment, and let's have a discussion. Alright, so I'm gonna go around the back end of this plaza so I can show you guys from that angle and give you guys a better understanding of exactly where we are. Alright guys, so this is the back end to the plaza. And you know, ironically, this could be the front as well. They could use this as the front, being that a main road is around this side as well. So let me know what you guys think. This project was financed by JMB Bank, and we have the Silverstone community right next to this commercial development. So I know rent cost and property cost is going up in these areas. Based on my understanding, this is one of the better communities in Portmore, one of the Portmore Pines community, Silverstone community. We have Sovereign Village down there. I also did a video on Sovereign Village. This is one of these soon, but I'll put the links for that video I did on Sovereign Village in the comments and in the description for you guys. So Sovereign Village is a indoor plaza, indoor shopping center. Alright, so behind me is a gas station. Then we have some banks close by. We have Scotia Bank, again, a lot of plazas down the road. And then that's the Portmore Pines Total gas station over there. So a very commercial area, so these new construction I'm sure will be bringing some more life to the area, some more commercial activity to the area. Alright guys, and again stay tuned for the drone shots, the eagle eye views of the area. Alright, so remember to like, remember to comment, remember to share, and thanks a lot for clicking on this video guys. So we're in Portmore. You will see a few other videos in Portmore as well. If you guys don't want to come to Portmore, we just try to cover some of the development over here in Portmore, St. Catherine. We try to not only cover Kingston, but as much of Jamaica as we can. So leave your comments and wait for the drone shots. They're coming up soon.